All right, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? We're here. It's a Tuesday night. Matty Capital is becoming the king of thumbnails. But before we get into it, please take a moment. Read the disclaimer. We are not financial advisors. We have no idea what your situation is. We just do a lot of research, talk about stocks, talk about finance. We have no idea what we're going to discuss. It's going to be interesting. And don't forget to pause and read the disclaimer. Thank you very much. Matty, how are you?
Well, I'm not very enthused that you started off the podcast with an insult saying I'm becoming the king.
Yes, you're becoming the king.
No. Becoming means I have to try. I am the king.
No, hold on. You just started using Gemini, and you just started making crazy thumbnails.
Whose thumbnails are better, Steve? Whose thumbnails are better?
Your thumbnails are better. You're becoming the king.
I am the king.
All right, you are the king. Fine, you're the king.
You.
You're the king of thumbnails.
I'll quit this podcast right now.
You know what? The guy, I'm in a board meeting, and this is what he sends me. Okay, did you use any of these as your thumbnail for tonight?
I forget which one.
Okay, well, can I show them or not?
Oh yeah. They're
okay.
I'm planning on using some sort of variant of them.
Okay, so I think the people were looking at me like I was cracking up because during the board meeting I was just in, this is what gets sent to my WhatsApp.
I think that's what I'm using.
This is what gets sent, ladies and gentlemen. And then if that's not bad enough, okay? Money Never Sleeps with Matty Gecko.
Come on.
Straight out of the 80s, which I wouldn't mind going back to the 80s, to be honest with everyone. And
I want to get fit. I want to get fit enough so I could wear bracers like that.
And then he puts out a little X post. A little X post, okay? For those of you who have not seen it, I mean, I don't even know what to say anymore. This guy don't stop. He don't miss. He don't stop.
Did you see the one I made at Tevis?
The BM&R one on the horses? Yeah, I did see it.
You should wait till the one I make about Tanner. That's going to be great. I already have it thought up.
It is amazing, so we need to show it. So then he makes this one at Tevis. I mean, I'm starting to question if this guy actually invests in stocks or just comes up with ideas for freaking memes and thumbnails now.
That's telling you, I should go full time because I could come up with some interesting ones.
I mean, I wouldn't put it past you. I think that you have found a new calling. I think you found a new calling.
I'm trying my best, Steve.
I mean, it's pretty damn good. Pretty damn
good. I wasn't sure.
Good.
Is that okay? I thought I had dandruff or something on my eye. It's just the brightness. I don't have a lot of talents, people. So this is all I got.
I doubt that very much.
I'm not a very good stock picker. Steve, I did tune in a little bit last night, but did you actually make any investments in your $10,000 account?
Oh, I made an investment. Don't you worry.
An investment or investments?
All will be revealed in due time.
All right.
So, do you have any milk in front of you?
No, I do not.
I'm going dark side tonight, Matty. Going dark side.
I'm jealous. I would love a nice little chalky milk. I had some eggs, some sausage, and a biscuit.
And a biscuit. Did you like what I sent you during the day? Did you like the picture I sent you during the day what I had for lunch?
Oh, yeah. So I was jealous. And I wanted to get something on the way home, and I just never ended up doing it.
Chocolate milk's amazing. Gotta love it.
I'm sorry I let you down.
Thank you, everybody, for being here. Chels, what's going on? Michelle, what's going on? Ray, what's going on? Appreciate everybody being here. PB, what is going on? Yeah, I don't know what happened to Salesforce. I got to look into it.
Down 7%.
People are shook.
Did Benioff implode on CNBC again, Steve?
Did Benioff come out and say something? I've been behind closed doors all day, except for when I went out to lunch, but that was a business lunch. Did BM&R just fucking text me again?
Is that real? Are people really getting texted out the ass?
Ken from Alliance Advisors, on behalf of your investment in BitMine Immersion Technologies and the board of directors. And I am not typing stop to end this because I want to see how many times they fucking text me. I'm sick of it.
Can't stop, won't stop.
They're not stopping. It's not okay.
It's like Diddy in the music videos. Is that another one?
No, that was a group chat that I just turned the ringer off.
Okay. I was about to say it's like Diddy in the music videos. He's just
no, no bueno, no freaking bueno. Well, Matt, I need to apologize.
I hope I know what it's for.
I'm still a fucking liar.
You always have been, Steve.
The S&P is not 7,000 yet. I'm still a liar.
Yeah.
And we get close, we get right there, and then they suck us back down.
It's like Godfather.
It's not okay.
Just as soon as you thought you were there, they pull you back down.
Pull you back in. It's no good. I don't know, Ray. Maybe next week I won't be a liar anymore.
Oh, we got paper gains in here. The myth, the legend.
Nice.
I heard he was going to get you to freedom.
Paper gains. Need that TA.
He's going to teach you how to day trade like a king.
Listen, we may need to start doing that. We may need to start doing that. I want to see what happened with Salesforce. What the hell happened? Down $18 today. Oppenheimer downgrades Adobe to perform. So, is this why? Because Salesforce releases Slack, AI-powered Slack bot. Are you kidding me? There's no news other than that. Did the market not like this?
I mean,
I don't know. Freaking
did you see what Josh Brown, his top best stocks in the market today were?
What did Joshy Brown say?
I don't know. I was about to watch it, and then we started.
It's on CNBC?
It's on CNBC.
Let's take a look because I have not watched an ounce of TV.
I will post in the private chat because it's a couple episodes back, or not couple episodes, couple videos back, and it'll be easier if I to send it.
Okay. I'm going to the private chat. I am hoping, I'm thank God that there wasn't a new thumbnail in the private chat that this took me to, and it's actually a video. That would have been just ridiculous if you had done that to me. All right, let's see.
I should have.
You should have. And unfortunately, I just gave you an idea. Let's see what Josh Brown has for the best stocks in the market. He is probably my favorite analyst on CNBC, and then Stephanie Link number 2. Full disclosure. See what Josh Brown.
Do you think she's the SoFi advisor?
No, that's Liz Strat-Young. Stephanie Link is the from Hightower.
Oh yeah, she's good.
She's good. All right, let's see what the guys say.
Nicely performing materials sector and 3 names within it. What do you got?
Yeah, so it was kind of cool to see these names pop up. Most of the materials exposure on the best stocks in the market list last year were the gold miners, which obviously we talked about Newmont, we talked about Anglo Gold Ashanti. They were incredible home runs. Now we're seeing something different. Cement, ready mixed concrete, aggregates, asphalt. You look at Martin Marietta. Let's put this chart up real quick. MLM. Very simply put,
my buddy works for them.
Not heavily owned. This is like one of the blue chips in the space. It's a $40 billion or so market cap. And I use that term blue chip somewhat tongue in cheek. But this one and Vulcan Materials, which is VMC, also 40 billion in market cap. Both charts look exactly the same. They look incredible. They are breaking out above those fall highs. Everything seems to be lining up. RSI not yet overbought. They really haven't been discovered yet. The other name worth, I would stay with those two. CRH is a chart that's sort of already made a big move. I just want to put it on people's radar because it may consolidate for a bit. You look at that 50-day moving average serving as support. If you want to take it for a trade, that's maybe where I would stop out.
Well,
but I think the other two are a better setup.
CRH got downgraded today. Maybe to your point, the analyst at Wells is sort of thinking about the same thing, equal weight from overweight. So, you know, the stocks had a nice move as you
Doubled
see.
already. Yeah.
So maybe that plays into that. Jimmy, you own that name. What do you think about this spotlight today?
This is a stellar long-term holding. You know, if the downgrade today is because it's run up, that's fine, you know. But I think for those of you who want exposure in this space, this is actually the name to own. And I'll tell you why. Vulcan and Martin Marietta, great companies. They traded a 30 times forward multiple. CRH is 20. Now, here's where it gets more interesting. The market cap of CRH is twice that of each of Vulcan and Martin Marietta. This is an industry where scale matters. You're talking about distributing really heavy material, concrete, aggregates, all that sort of stuff. Spreading your fixed costs over a bigger company matters. CRH to me is the long-term holding. Will be up and down over the short term, sure, but the long-term track record, not going to go through the numbers. You can look it up. 1, 3, 5, 10 years, it's crushed the S&P 500.
Can I ask a question? You own gold?
I own Newmont. We bought Newmont in April at 52 in the ETF. I owned the GLD, got out of it recently.
Why'd you get out of it?
Because I made a mistake.
Okay, that's where I was trying to probe. You own gold?
I do not own gold.
I'm trying to understand
Freeport.
why everybody doesn't own what has been one of the best. It's seemingly,
I prefer copper.
I hate to use the word easiest because nothing to what you guys do is that simple, but man, that trade seems like the writing's been on the wall.
Silver is the trade.
In many respects, it's
silver is the trade right now because silver actually has more fundamental validity in its ownership than gold does.
You own that?
Silver, I've traded and I've lost money. I'm trading it the wrong way. I've traded the silver futures. I'll trade gold futures. I haven't done well with it.
Silver is industrial demand. That's half of why silver has gone higher. It's because of the industrial economy doing better.
Stephanie prefers copper and diamonds.
I do. I do. That's very
platinum.
true.
I was going to say platinum too.
I thought there'd be more stocks, Steve. What's that? You're on mute. Like a goddamn amateur.
I thought there would be more stocks, Matty.
Me as well.
It looks like Nvidia is a favorite idea from Wolf A, and there's a buying opportunity
From Nvidia. I did see that.
Nvidia. By the way, did you see the spreads on copper that I was showing last night?
Nah.
Dude.
Did you find an ETF?
No, I'm just saying that this has got to stop. So I didn't update it today. I'll find it. It's in my spreadsheet from last night. So based on the spot prices of silver and where you could buy a 10-ounce bar, and then where spot was, silver was trading it. You were paying 8.88% over spot for silver. Copper, based on the price per pound, you were paying 162% over spot for copper. It's insane. It's insane.
You're a good man, Steve.
You want to know
Are you still thinking about the
crazy
copper? What's that?
So I did a little analysis.
Uh-uh.
All right. And listen, nobody do this, okay? I am not doing this, so please do not do this. But a nickel for 5 cents, which is backstopped by the U.S. government, legal tender, based on the price per pound of copper, technically has a copper and nickel melt value for 7.2 cents.
for every nickel.
Yeah. Now here's the catch. Legally, you are not allowed to melt US currency for the metal.
But I mean, they got rid of the penny.
Just saying.
So when if they get rid of the nickel, are you then able to melt it?
I don't know. But right now, there's like a 44% backstop in it where it's just wild. Do me a favor, if you on ChatGPT,
Yeah.
share your screen and type in what the melt value for a nickel is and show the screen.
I have a more important question first.
Oh God.
If the United States ceases to make nickels, can you melt it legally?
I have no idea. What's the answer?
We'll find out, Steve.
We're going to find out, everyone. And then I started doing some more research on something else, and I think I'm going to make a YouTube series about it. You're going to need to blow this up a little bit, Matty. Thank you. Now we remain in effect. All right, so now ask Gemini what the actual melt value of a nickel is between copper and nickel.
Huh. What is it? What was the question?
Ask Gemini what the melt value of a nickel is. It's like 7.2 cents as of this morning. So, Matt, are you ready for what I'm going to start doing?
I'm ready, Steve. What are you going to do?
All right. I am going to order a box. So now they're saying 6 cents.
War nickels, though.
Yeah, because they have a silver content in it.
How do we get those, Steve?
I'm
I'm
gonna
sure
tell you.
people always buy the bags of
Yeah.
nickels.
So anyway, I'm going to order from the bank a box. You ready?
Yeah.
Of 100 rolls of quarters.
Okay.
And then I'm
Each
going to
one's
get
$10.
yes, so $1,000, 100 rolls. I'm going to get a second webcam with a boom arm. We're going to have one camera on me, one camera on my hands, the way that Alex has it for the Pokemon stuff. And we're going to go silver hunting in rolls of quarters. And we're going to try to see if we can find silver or pre-1964 quarters because of the silver content. And then whatever we don't find, because maybe we get one out of all the rolls, it's still legal tender. I just re-roll it, bring it back to the bank. Better yet, I'll bring it to a different bank so they don't get pissed at me.
Nobody can get upset with you, Steve.
I mean, they could.
Nobody. No one can get upset with Steve.
Tevis, it's not getting delivered. I'm physically going to go to the bank. Like tomorrow, I'm walking into the bank behind my office, and I'm going to order a box of 100 rolls of quarters. And if they have $50, if I can order a box of them, and I'll order a box of that also. And we're going to go treasure hunting in loose change. I think it'll be hilarious.
I'll watch for you, Steve.
There's people that make full YouTube channels around this. I'm serious. Hold on.
There's people literally watching your YouTube channel, watching you trying to make other YouTube channels.
I know, it's crazy.
Like YouTubeception.
I think it's called Bankroll Hunt. Yes, it's called Bankroll Hunting. Check this out. We're gonna do this, or I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna see if we can freaking make money.
Steve, I support you in any way, shape, or form.
I'm just saying, could you imagine? First, I want to know like what the bank teller is going to think when I order $1,000 worth of quarters. And I wonder if there's also crazy people that actually do this, that go to that bank. Hey, we're investing in silver, right? We got an investment community. This is an investment. No, not rolling with it, Matt.
I'll watch you do it.
Well,
Yeah,
at least
small-time
June
bank
is
might be
with
better.
me. At least June thinks this is going to be fun.
June loves that sort of stuff.
Well, I already got it all planned out. I'm going to have my rolls. I'm going to get a freaking box cutter. I'm going to slit it open. I'm going to look just at the edges because you can tell a silver quarter from the other ones. And if there's none, I'm just going to pack it up in the next roll, in the new fresh roll, go to the next one. Assembly line.
I like it, Steve.
Just saying.
What are you going to do when you find one?
I mean, hopefully I find more than one.
List it on eBay
No, why would I list it on eBay?
for money?
No, I'm going to keep it.
Thought you were doing it for money.
No, I'm doing it to go silver hunting. Yes, Matt, I've lost my mind.
I think you have, Steve. I think this YouTube thing has gone to your head.
Well, it's not as bad as exactly, June. You can't lose money either. Like you legitimately can't lose money doing this. You can only lose time. The real question is, am I going to go get a metal detector and start walking around beaches?
I think you should do that. Walk around New York and just do in between all the crevices and stuff like that, and get a not even a metal.
I'm not doing
Get a
that
magnet.
shit. That's not happening. No. Dude, metal detectors are expensive. Holy shit.
How much are we talking?
Some of these metal detectors are $2,000. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, that chocolate milk. Someone's got to be in that chocolate milk.
Something's got to be in the chocolate milk. Oh man! All right, Matt.
It's more than just milk.
So what are we discussing tonight?
Little stock called Salesforce going to zero.
Little stock called Salesforce going to zero. I don't know why it's down, so I really don't want to discuss that. I need to look into it and see why it went down. I have no idea.
Let me see.
I mean, the only thing that came out was Slack releases AI-powered Slack bot. That's the only news I'm seeing.
You want to hear a bad statistic, Steve? Guess how much Salesforce is up over the past 10 years or 5 years. Sorry, 5 years.
It's probably down over the past 5 years. Oh, it's up 10.5%.
You think it's going to turn around?
I mean, I don't know why it fell today, so I have no idea. I still think the numbers look very good, but it depends what the news is.
Here. I don't know if this is true, but it looks like it. Salesforce falls as Anthropic debuts their co-work tool.
Could be.
Anthropic's release of Cowork, an autonomous digital assistant for completing office tasks. Essentially, Cowork is an agent-based version of Anthropic's cloud chatbot that can access, manipulate files, automate workflows, and execute tasks on users' behalf.
Yeah, but that doesn't compete with Salesforce, though.
Apparently it does.
Adobe got smacked around too, 5.5%.
And so did UiPath. Everyone said that Path is going to the moon, though, Steve.
What's Path?
It's the future.
The future.
It's what the word on the street is, man. Everyone's talking up Path.
The future.
I'm not a fan of Path. Path pretty much just tries to automate workflows.
Oh, we had CPI out today. This is how much I didn't even pay attention to that. Up 0.2% month over month. Under expectations. Okay. Oh, JP Morgan reported today. Look at that. I wonder if Jamie Dimon discussed credit cards.
He said something. I think Trump had words. He said that basically. From what I read, I'd need to actually watch it and listen. But he basically said that Jamie Dimon has no idea what he's talking about.
Okay.
Maybe pull it up. I don't know.
Pull it up. I want to see that.
It was on CNBC. Take broken wings.
Matt, did you buy anything else today in your portfolio?
Maybe.
I'll give you a little hint. Cash secured puts on BM&R may have happened.
Maybe I also did some cash secured puts, Steve.
Yeah, what'd you do cash secured puts on that? Next decade? Uh-oh.
I already did that.
Yeah, I saw that on freaking X.
Steve's playing his cards too close to his chest.
Listen.
I put it in the private chat.
Private chat.
Don't you're making me
Listen, man. All right. Let's listen to President Trump. Talking about Jamie Dimon.
Let's listen to what he had to say.
He's done a bad job. We should have lower rates. Jamie Dimon probably wants higher rates. Maybe he makes more money that way.
On Sanctuary City, sir.
Also was talking about the 10% credit cards. The House Speaker said that it could have negative side effects if it was imposed through Congress. Are you concerned about that? Have you talked?
No, I'm not. I think that people that are paying 28% interest should be protected. We're talking about for a 1-year period, but when you have a bank, whether it's Jamie Dimon or anybody else, charging people 28, 32%, 30%, 31%, one case 35%, no, I'll help those people. That's all right.
I mean, I don't hate that.
What do you think, Steve? I'm curious. I don't know if I heard your take on this.
Look, I think credit card companies are predatory. And maybe it's not credit card companies per se, it's the banks that actually backstop it. But I think some of these rates are predatory and it's not okay. Now, it is a free market society. And on one hand, the problem is we have so many of them that if they were able to fund this and make this work at a lower model, somebody would have done that in order to basically take everybody's business away. They haven't, and interest rates are pretty similar unilaterally for different FICOs. So on one hand, I understand the argument that Elizabeth Warren has made in the past and Bernie Sanders has made in the past. And I understand the argument that President Trump is making right now. The problem is, I don't know if it's actually possible for them to cap rates at 10% without having to charge an annualized fee on credit cards to make up for some of that loss to actually run the program, or if that's going to mean that some people won't be able to utilize a credit card. So I have not even tried running the numbers yet. It's so complex that I can see both sides of it. So I don't know.
Yeah, it's tough. I mean, I agree. I don't think you should have rates north of 30%, but being down to 10%, I also think that there's a piece where the 10%, you cut off a large portion of being able to rent, or not rent, but loan cash to people in short-term rates. So it's kind of tough. I feel like when I was growing up, though, I would see rates that were 25% and below. And I feel like ever since I was young, in the past 20 years or so, I've only seen it go up from 25%. So I don't know. It's kind of tough. I just think that, do you really need to be charging 30 odd percent, 35% for this short-term credit to work? I mean, if that's the case, then we're in a much dire situation than I anticipated.
I would like to think that they can make it work between 15 and 20%, but I'm also not running a big bank. I have no idea when you do the allocation of charge-offs and everything, what their break even is. So I really don't have an answer to it. But I do think 25, 30% is predatory. I really do. And then what's the option? So if you game it out and they hypothetically do this and it causes people not to be able to get a credit card, do you push people to even more predatory payday loans or black market loan sharking or hard market lending? I mean, this is just one cog in the wheel. So it's a much bigger discussion because it's more, okay, you plug this hole. Now what's the ripple effect throughout the rest of the lending sector?
It's tough, man. It's tough.
I'll tell you what, I think it's bullish for SoFi. And I think it's bullish for SoFi because if this was to push people to, if it did eradicate credit cards for people with low FICOs, it could push people to personal loans, which then SoFi, I would say, would be able to load it on a debit card, even if it's not called debit card, but they could load the personal loan on a card that you can just draw down from it whenever you want and use it as a credit card. So I think this is something where SoFi would be able to pivot and offer a product like that quicker than anybody else. So this could actually be bullish for SoFi, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. It's a tough one.
Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea.
Just like I wish that interest rates would go to zero so I can.
They're not going to zero.
And they're not. Yeah, exactly. I mean,
they may go to 2.5, but they're not going to go to zero, sir.
A man can dream, right?
I mean, yes, you can dream. You can definitely dream, Matt.
You can dream it. You can do it.
I mean, I guess so.
Steve, do I give you a little sneak peek as to what I put on today?
What'd you sell a little put on today, Matt?
A little ETF.
Ooh.
Called. You want to take a guess?
Well, it's definitely not SPY or QQQ because we're not using enough money for that. So those are out.
You don't know that.
Well, I definitely know that because there's no way you can sell a put on that with the amount of money we're using.
All right, he knows that.
So I have no freaking clue. What did you sell a put on, Matt? Oh, wait, hold on a second. Don't say anything. I know what you sold a put on. Hold on. What's the share price? Something where the share price is 55.60. Would that fit in the model of the money that he's smiling, everybody? That would fit in the profile of you selling those puts on Next and the puts on the other thing. TQQQ, you sold a put on.
Close.
Close. I'm wrong.
You're wrong, Steve.
What'd you sell
You're like
put on?
half. You're like half right.
Half right. SQQQ.
No.
Okay.
S is the first letter.
What's the next letter?
Think on the line of TQQQ. Triple leverage NASDAQ.
I have no idea.
S is the first letter.
Right. What's the next letter?
Somebody in the chat got it.
SPYQ. The suspense is killing me. What did you do?
People in the chat are getting it.
SQQQ?
No, SQQQ's for Porsche.
Okay. I have no idea, Matt. SPMO?
SOXL.
SOXL? The hell is this bullshit? Semiconductor 3X? Wow. What date?
January 30th.
What strike?
52.
Look at you bringing in about $300 on that.
Steven,
Look
your
at
boy
you,
Matty
man.
doesn't play.
Matt is not playing, everybody. Matt has not made any investments. He's just writing puts, generating that income. Is this just going to become a game of who can write more puts and be correct on puts, and we're not even investing?
I've calls. I have long calls.
Whoa. Hold on a second, ladies and gentlemen. Did you just say you bought long calls, naked calls? Also? Look at you.
Stevie. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. I gotta eat.
You gotta eat. They're trying to take me out of the kneecaps.
I'm trying to get another. I need a supplement on my down payment for these beach houses.
I mean, Matt's freaking trying to get the degen to come out of me. Matty playing to win. All right. I'm with it.
I need the money for another Lambo because I had the money for the first Lambo and I still haven't bought it yet.
Okay. You sound like my buddy. Okay.
What, buying Lambos?
No, my buddy bought a vet and decided he wanted a different vet, so he freaking got another vet.
I told you, Steve. You know what? This is such a degen thing. I'll use this money to buy a muscle car. How about that?
I don't know.
I don't know what muscle car it'll be, but a nice.
As long as it's Eleanor, we're all good.
Dude, I've been looking at the '69 Mustangs.
As long as it's Eleanor, we're all good, buddy.
But I think Eleanor is a '67, right?
It's a '67 fastback.
Yeah, and I can't afford the Shelby GT500. That's just.
Oh no! I mean,
you selling?
What are you talking about now? An AC Cobra? You want to go an AC Cobra?
No, I was thinking like a Chevelle or something.
Ooh, okay.
Or like a Camaro. A mullet and a Mustang.
You go with a Barracuda?
Dude, those are expensive.
Yeah. I mean, I should get an IROC Z just for the hell of it.
I think you should.
That'd be hilarious if I started driving an IROC Z around.
Speaking of good-looking gentlemen, Tanner is in the chat.
You know what? That's not fair.
What?
That is not fair. I'm getting text messages. Okay, I'm going to read this out. Stop talking like you know where the gas pedal is. Does Matt know where the gas pedal is? Inferring that I drive slow.
Who sent that?
Don't worry about it.
The boss lady?
Don't worry about it.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Somebody call the police.
Shots fired.
I just witnessed a murder on stream. Oh, God.
Crazy.
I wish I could play the Fast and Furious because he's like granny shifting, not double clutching like you should. So what do you
How
think of
bad
the?
is it that that's actually not a horrible movie?
Oh, that's a great movie. But the double
It's a great
clutching,
movie.
granny shifting, and not double clutching like you should in the terms of the straight line street racing. This doesn't make sense.
Should we buy Ferrari as a stock?
Is it down?
Yeah, it's down a ton. Have you looked at it?
No,
I was
it was
looking at
a
it the other day.
massive premium. God damn it, Steve.
I mean, it went from 519 to 360.
I hate myself. You want to know why? Because
Why?
when this thing went public, I was like $50.
Same here. Same here. It's like, who
I
the
was like,
hell
what do they sell?
think they
100
are?
cards a year?
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. How many cars do they sell? Who the hell do they think they are? Their freaking F1 team don't make money. And now look at them.
They're down what? What is that? Basically from 500.
Well, you got to think about where they were. What they were at 519, and they're down to 360. So, was that 30% or so from the top?
Yeah, 30%.
It's interesting. I mean, I've looked at it several times. No, no.
Maybe we buy Porsche instead.
I mean, you'd have to buy Volkswagen to do that. Volkswagen has a nice dividend to it.
Maybe we can get Volkswagen to squeeze.
Why?
Because it did it back in 08. Why not now? So, Steve, what do you think of this SOXL put?
I think I don't even know what this freaking thing is.
SOXL?
Yeah.
It's fucking dangerous is what it is.
Yeah, you're basically betting semiconductors are going to go boom.
Or stay flat
Or stay flat.
for 2 weeks.
I don't hate it.
What was it on the Capitol? It was not bad. It was 270. $270 for 5,200. So it's 5% on the money.
I don't
If
hate
I
it.
keep it all. If I keep it all. If I get to keep it all. Steve, did I tell you the long call that I wrote or bought?
No, you didn't.
Did I?
No, what'd you do?
My dad used to have a Grand National. That thing was fucking sick.
What long call did you buy, Matt?
Take a guess.
I have no freaking clue. Rocket Lab? No.
Little ETF.
Little ETF. TQQQ? Of course you did. Look at you. You are playing to win.
I mean, this one's a little bit more risky. It's a February 20, $56 TQQQ call. I bought 2 of them. So if it goes up, I don't know.
Yeah, Raven, on Sundays, we're gonna disclose where we're at on Sundays. So don't you worry.
I think
Yes,
I'm up when it comes to total premium.
Listen, I did think that Matt had a freaking punching bag in his room. Oh, Matt. All right. Well, you're being full degen. I support it. I support it.
And good old Next was up like 8 or 9% today, Steve.
Was it now?
Same with VG. VG was up like 7-8%.
What's the VG at?
Just a hair under $8.
Ooh. All right. I like it.
Steven, don't you remember me trying to get you to buy below 6?
I'm a shareholder of VJ.
You got a pretty decent cost basis, I think, right?
I think it's like 610. Something like that. Don't worry.
Steve doesn't have to worry about money anymore.
Oh, let's not go that far.
You probably have more shares than I do.
Bullshit. If I had your money, I'd donate mine.
You always say that.
It's the truth.
I think it's far from.
Listen, man. It's the truth.
Yeah, I'm curious if it persists. I mean, I kind of was looking at the trends. I mean, it looked like they were being pretty cautious in terms of total amount stored in the EU, and I figured one cold snap, and they're going to be down below 5-year averages. And when you're below 5-year averages, you don't have Russia to rely on like you used to for spot pricing, and all the pipeline gas is starting. And so, I mean, really the thing is, this is the thing. Europe, which I think is I don't know, that maybe I'll eat my hat on this one. But Europe is infamously bad about predicting where I think their energy consumption needs to be and go. They're predicting like a 30 to 40% decrease in total amount of natural gas used over the next, like, I forget what it is, but it's something absurd. And I'm like sitting there like, are they really actually going to get rid of 40% of the natural gas that they need to use? They don't have the most favorable solar or wind or nuclear. That's what they keep saying.
Yeah, they're too shook to do that.
So, oil was up 10%, Steve.
What?
Oil was up 10%.
Oil's at 61. And then we got Zuckerberg doubling the output of Ray-Ban sunglasses.
Ray-Ban?
Ray-Ban.
What's Ray-Ban?
Ray-Ban.
I like it, Steve. I like it.
This can be interesting. I like the fact that you're coming to play. I like it.
Does that make you want to change up what you're doing?
No, I'm not going long dated like you. I'm too shook for that.
So what's your goal? Slow and steady throughout the year? You trying to get big wins up early? You don't know yet? Being a little Stevie sleepy boy, most of your yawning on?
Dude, it's so bad. I'm only 1,063 words into the article I was trying to write tonight. It's fucking not good. I'm going to be up to like 11:30 working.
You work hard, man.
Long day at work, except for lunch, but that was still business, and you know.
$65 and $75, everybody wins in the oil industry.
Listen, 55 to 65 is a perfect sweet spot for oil.
More for the consumer than it is for.
So upstream, the super majors will do fine at 55 to 65. Manufacturing, transports will do great because input costs will be less. The consumer will do great because gasoline won't be breaking the bank, nor heating oil. So that's the sweet spot.
A lot of stuff doesn't make a lot of sense at 55 onshore. It does, but not to the extent where you're going to get a lot of people just running out to drill and eventually it ends up leading to high oil prices because it takes a while for things to turn around. So
I got a big competition tomorrow night, Matt.
Wednesday. What's Wednesday?
Tanner and I are revealing our top 15 artists.
Artists.
Yeah.
What do you mean artists?
Artists, musical artists.
Oh, I was about to say, I was like, if you're revealing like actual artists, I was like, I just got some painter's tape, and I was like, let me know, because your boy has this nice wall downstairs behind the couch, and I need to measure it, but it's like 10 feet of like between the window and the corner, and I want to put like a. So apparently, I don't know anything, but
what are you gonna do? A mural?
Well, I was told that you need, if you're going to put something in between something like that nature, you need to occupy about 65 to 75% of the space. So I'm looking for something that's like, if it ends up being 10 feet, something that's like 6.5 to 7.5 feet long. And, I don't know if you know about the rule of 57, Stephen, but I'm about to tell you.
I have no freaking clue the rule of 57 is.
Well, apparently I probably broke it on my thing behind me, but I need to fix that if that's the truth. But apparently the center of whatever you hang up, if you're in a normal room like this one, this isn't a tall room, and neither is yours, but if you're in a normal room, apparently the middle of whatever you hang up is supposed to be 57 inches off the ground, unless it's behind a couch. If it's behind a couch, it needs to be at a minimum 8 inches off the back end of the couch. Now you know.
Who came up with that bullshit?
Apparently, it's what they use in like museums.
Okay, sure.
Because 57 inches, it's like it's not at eye level, but it's like kind of at eye level.
Matty dropping knowledge.
Where's the milkman sign? I thought that was going to be hung up by now.
It's next to me. I haven't hung it up yet. I've been busy.
Where are you going to hang it up? Above the light switch?
Yes, above the light switch.
And what are you going to hang above the couch?
Don't
take advice from me, because I look at me like my shit's crooked.
I may pick something up this weekend. We'll see.
Oh, something. I wouldn't. Do I like sports enough?
I may pick something up. So at the convention, there's a lot of memorabilia there. I may pick something up, but I may want to do some type of shelving unit over there and start putting baseballs on it. So we'll see.
What about a floating thing with baseballs?
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
I'm excited for you, man. It'll look great.
We'll see. Well, Matt, you're going to be surprised on Sunday when I tell you what I've done. You're going to be surprised.
You sell puts and buy calls?
No.
You sold BM&R.
I did sell a little bit on that. Yes. That was the first thing I did.
And that's the only thing you're letting people know?
What?
That's the only thing you're letting people know?
For the time being.
I mean, you could buy it back now probably for 20, 30% less.
I probably could. It's moved a little bit. It's going to be interesting. I'm excited. Earnings season is officially upon us. We got Jamie Dimon coming out today. I'm ready for Meta. I think Meta is going to be over 700 soon, even though it got smacked around today. Even though people are not taking this whole thing seriously.
It didn't get that badly hit.
It's getting smacked around a little bit. Meta Compute's going to be huge, all right? Saying it
Hey, I have
now.
a 700 in the money put. Okay, I need that thing to go up.
You have a 700 in the money put for Meta.
That I sold, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It was
Wait.
fucking 12 grand or something. What was it?
I was going to say that can't be part of this competition.
No, I can't afford that. It was, yeah, it was stupid money. It was January 2027. $700 put for 12.5.
Okay.
My break even's 575. I'm like, even if I had to roll it, you know, like, so anyway, I can't believe I'm only up 5% on it.
No bueno.
It just doesn't make sense. I don't think that it's going to be 575. So that was kind of the goal, is that it would inch up closer to 700 by the end of the year. I pocket all 12 grand.
What are you thinking about Meta Compute? Have you looked into this yet?
No.
Okay.
Should I?
I think you should. So Zuckerberg is planning on building tens of gigawatts this decade and hundreds of gigawatts over more time. And I think the only reason he does this is to become a hypercloud or a neocloud. So what the working theory that I've seen is that Meta Compute is basically them owning the full stack of AI infrastructure, data centers, plus network oversight, reporting, et cetera, et cetera. I think that they're going to use their models and they're going to do a lot of different things.
Steve, how much for a Picasso?
I have no idea.
Picasso's are like $100 million.
I mean, that's chump change for you.
I don't got that Steve money.
Listen, I told you. If I had your money, I'd donate mine.
You say that, but
So what did you think about Zeta? Are you interested in it?
interested, meaning I would buy it? No, but I definitely, from what I'm seeing, believe that if they're able to continue the momentum that they have, that people that have bought in will do really well.
Yeah, it went down today pretty hard.
Really? Why?
Yep.
Any
And how
reason?
are you feeling about crypto? How are you feeling about ETH right here, a little Ethereum?
Cautiously optimistic that this is the last little pump for the year.
Last pump for the year?
The pump and then the dump, Steve. I know I know all about it.
Don't do that to me.
I know all about the pump and the dump.
Where are we at? 33.47. Matt, don't do that to me. We need to get back to 4,000.
I still think that it's got, if it's gonna pump, I hope it pumps a full pump. I don't want this whole half pump. Nobody likes a half pump.
Matt, can you phone? Can you phone a friend for June?
Yeah.
Are we going to get a decision on the tariffs from the Supreme Court? Can you use your White House quant magic and find out for us?
I can't turn a corner at the office without somebody stopping me.
Really?
Yes. I have to shrug it off. It's pretty funny.
Like the real office or the White House office?
Like my real office.
Really?
Yeah.
Like this got around?
Yeah.
Wow. Interesting.
Yeah. It is pretty funny. And I don't know.
Are they like leaving printouts on your door and stuff?
I don't have we don't have desks. Or we don't have offices. Otherwise.
Okay.
So I don't know.
The White House freaking quant.
The one that has quant. But yeah, it's like I'll like be walking in the lobby and somebody will shout across the lobby. It's a pretty big lobby. So
All right. I like
pretty
it.
fun. Pretty fun. Thoughts on TMC? Do you know anything about TMC, Steve?
TMC as in the TV station?
As
in the movie channel?
If that's how you're perceiving it.
What is TMC, Matt?
The metals company, Steve.
Metals company? No, I know nothing about them.
Would you hate me if I bought a Banksy, Steve?
A what?
Would you hate me if I bought a Banksy?
What's a Banksy? What are you even talking about here? You know, you're supposed to be the shepherd of retail, and you're talking about stuff that I don't even understand.
Does my whole office watch the live streams? No. And I think some people are like, low-key want to stab me. Hopefully nobody in the office is like watching right now. I'm being like,
we're gonna have to get Secret Service to come help you out.
Maybe.
In
terms of TMC, you know, it's a big ask, right? It's Steve, to lay the land here and give kind of a brief overview. TMC is kind of like a next decade in terms of where it's at, right? Except next decade has actually gotten approval and from FERC to be able to mine. The metals company basically has these offshore leases. I forget what country they're in, but these offshore leases is like you would basically be able to get these nodules that are rare earth, right? And so if you mine them, you'll be able to bring them back to shore. They have the royalty all set up for whatever country it is. And all they basically need is to get approval to mine offshore. If they're able to get the approval to mine offshore, then yes, the value of the mine itself on an annualized basis could be hundreds of millions of dollars a year, potentially even $1 billion a year. But it all hinges on the fact of if they get the permit to be able to do this offshore, to which Jared Kushner or someone in the Kushner circle is part of the board. So people are thinking, well, that means that it's an obvious in for these things to kind of go through. There's legislature to help, or at least there's trying to have legislature help it go through. But people are saying it was supposed to go through in like September, October last year, and I haven't heard a peep. So I'm curious, hopefully, for folks that are in it. I know a lot of people that were super enthused about it, but to me, it's one of those things where you kind of have to hope that they get the permit. Otherwise, the valuation of the company obviously goes pretty far down.
Interesting. Sounds too complicated for me. I'm a simple guy.
It's tough. I didn't hate it. Like if I was able to get in at a super cheap price, which I don't know what it is now, but people were trying to convince me a couple months back, like September, October, that they were like, Matt, this is it. This is the play. And it was already at like a $15 billion market cap or something. I forget what it was. Maybe it was double what it is now. Maybe not even. But it just, to me, it just didn't make sense. I think it was in October. Yeah, it was trading above $10. And it was already like a $5 billion market cap. And what I was kind of calculating, and of course, there's the upside that they're able to mine other offshore sites if they find other leases, etc. But what I was kind of calculating based off, because mining, like if you get a mine up and running, you can kind of run the EBITDA numbers and try to get a good valuation. I was like, okay, if this gets up and running, it's a $15 billion to $20 billion company, and it was already trading at like $6 billion. And I was like, so I'm not going to trade $6 billion for something that may or may not happen. It just didn't make sense to me.
Okay.
If somebody wants to risk, then
So Biotech Ken sends a message to me.
Mm-hmm.
Wants me to buy into a $10 million company. I said, Ken, I have less than 0% interest in this. So I'm going to read you the message, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to say the name of the company. Buying some blank here. Their drug is superior to Paxlovid and only a once-a-day oral pill. They'll be standard of care. My sources believe this should be re-rated once funding is secured. This could be 10x plus play. So you ready for what I say to him? Now keep in mind, this is in a group text with his uncle and his cousin, okay? All I write is 2 words. Can you guess the 2 words?
Fuck no.
Blue horse shit. Is what I sent him.
I love it.
It's like, dude, I have no freaking interest in this. Don't send this to me.
What I don't know, so I love Ken.
He has made so much money, I should just buy it, but I don't want to buy this. It seems sketchy.
I mean, if you
I went on the website of this company, like I could legitimately build a better website in like 20 minutes.
Has he just gotten lucky with these biotechs? I don't know. I'm asking a genuine question because I don't know anything about biotech.
I guess my understanding is he has several friends that are surgeons, and he has so he'll do, my understanding that he'll do the due diligence. He'll ask them to read through these freaking clinical trial things for him to validate what he thinks. And then he has a group of a bunch of people that they just run these ideas off of each other. And they like try to pick out what's bullshit and not. And I mean, one of these things, he bought it $10. It's at 120.
Could have been you, Steve.
It could have been us. He told us in the group chat.
He told me as well. I remember.
Yeah. He told you, me, Chris, and Amit. We need to get Biotech Ken on here one day and have him really
have him do the $10,000 challenge. He'll buy my beach house.
Oh, dude.
I'll buy it from underneath me.
Talk about degenerate. He'll do some degenerate shit.
I don't know. I made money on MindMed before it was MNMD. Trying to remember what it was before. Was it just Mind? I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't do any of that stuff. I have no interest in it.
I don't know. I know we did talk about it at the meetup.
What did you talk about at the meetup?
Me and Charles talked about one, why isn't Steve here? And then 2,
which meetup was it?
The Miami. I was like, wow, there's a lot of nice steakhouses here in Miami. Wish I could enjoy one with my friend Steve.
I mean, some would say that Miami is becoming like the food capital now.
I mean, all I imagine is you want to know, I imagine you, Steve, when we're not on the phone and I'm not giving you shit, we're streaming together. I imagine you in like that office, but the office is dark and it's brick and there's books lying around and you have that 80s newspaper music and you're just sitting away typing on a typewriter.
I
Your
only
CB
have
Alpha
one
articles.
book in this office. One book.
It's like that 80s detective with like the glass.
If you can guess what book it is in 5 guesses, you win a prize.
The Value Investor.
No.
Is it by Peter Lynch?
No.
Is it by
You're
Jim
never-
Simmons?
You're never going to guess it.
Worth it? Never read it.
How dare you? The Art of War is an amazing book. I think I've read this thing 10 or 15 times.
Some say that it's actually not as violent as people would say.
It's a strategic book.
It's more strategic than it is violent.
Way more strategic.
Has it helped you in your career?
It's a mindset. It's like watching The Godfather. You learn a lot of life lessons out of it.
What other books are there that I should buy?
Well, I mean, you should certainly read The Art of War.
All right, I'll buy it right now.
Yeah, the Art of War is great.
Should I get hardbound?
Yeah, I mean, there's no other way. Either that or Kindle. Don't waste your time on paperback.
I like this red version.
Well, yeah, that's this one. I just don't have the cover on anymore. It ripped.
$232 pages. All right, I'm buying it. I have another book that I need to read. We should start a reading segment, Steve.
We should start a reading club. Not that I have time for that or anything.
But we should, though. Like once every, we should all, and then people, if they're interested in participating, they can get the book and the link. This is a thick boy.
I was just gonna say that's a big boy. What the hell did you get?
It's the 1929 book, Andrew Ross Sorkin.
Oh yeah, you said you're gonna get that from Sorkin.
Dude, this thing is thick.
It's not
big
just
boy.
thick; it's fucking big.
It's almost as thick as the Keith.
No, but I mean,
Richards
those
book.
are some big pages. That's not a normal hardcover book.
What do you mean big pages?
I'm just saying that's a big book.
Somebody already start to read this? What? Why is this cover?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is Amazon trying to sell you a pre-read book? What's going on here?
Bastards. Oh, it's got photos? So I still need to finish what inspired me to get it was I wanted to buy it before because we did a little bit of like some rounds and I like Sorkin, right? Sorkin is like sneaky. I don't know if people like. I think I like Sorkin, but
We got new news. I'm sorry to cut you off, but okay, this is getting weird. Nvidia cleared to sell advanced AI chips to China under Trump's new export policy. Yet China came out today saying they were going to limit companies from buying chips from Nvidia. What the hell is it? The U.S. is easing restrictions on advanced AI chips exports to China, opening a path for Nvidia and Advanced Micro Devices to seek approval to sell high-performance processors under revised federal rules. Under new regulations released Tuesday by the U.S. Commerce Department, chip makers can apply to ship certain advanced computing processors to China companies on a case-by-case basis. Interesting. Your little triple semiconductor play there may work out. I guess the White House quant got a little press briefing before he made that trade.
What can I say, Steven?
I don't know what you can say. You can apologize for having,
Have inside knowledge?
I'm not going to say that. I'm just going to say, you can apologize for having connections.
You hate me because you hate me?
You know what, Matt?
Mad that I'm going to show up to New York in a Chevelle?
Dude, if you show up to New York in a Chevelle.
And a fat cigar?
No, you don't need to bring any cigars. I got a ton of cigars for you and Dougie. Do we know if Ray smokes?
I don't know. Ray, are you in here?
Ray, do you smoke cigars? I got some for you also.
Ray, take a call if you're in here. Silver's at 90? Steve, when does it stop?
What?
Silver's at 90.
Silver's going to get fucking squeezed higher. It's ridiculous. They can't. Bullion dealers cannot get it.
Like at all?
It's insane.
Oh, he's here. Good call. Told you.
Okay, I'm going through Nvidia's slide deck. We're not bullish enough.
Sure. Why are you withholding from the class?
Look at this. We're not freaking bullish. When Nvidia puts this in a slide deck, we're not bullish enough. Look at all these freaking robots about to hang out and have fun. Look at this guy, Matt.
Love him. I want to buy him.
And I am going to say this. I'm sorry. This looks better than any Tesla ever made. Sorry. Just saying.
I'm not.
Like, no apology video there. You cannot convince me that a Model 3 or a Model S looks better than this. Not happening. Am I wrong, Matt?
No, you're not. You never have been.
I just want making sure. Like,
except on the SPY getting to 7,000. Other than
you
that,
know what? I wasn't wrong. I was a liar. There's a difference. I lied. What can I say? I'm a liar. Like, we're not bullish enough on Nvidia. I'm sorry.
I heard that June had a Tesla.
Everybody I know that has a Tesla loves their freaking Tesla.
Are you gonna get one?
No. I have zero interest in an EV.
Who's messaging me?
I don't know what any of this means, but it looks like the Vera Rubin chip is significantly better than Blackwell.
It's much more, for sure.
Yeah, we're not bullish enough on Nvidia. I'm sorry. You know what, Matty? Gotta buy more. Gotta buy more.
You can?
I know I can. Gotta buy more.
You always can.
It's not about EV hate. I just don't want to have to plug my freaking car in. I don't want to have to deal with any of that stuff. If I need gas, I go get gas. It takes a minute and a half to fill up the gas tank. And what if I forget to charge the car and I'm out? Where the hell am I going to charge it? Like, really?
EV doesn't run on milk, Steve.
It does not run on milk.
And for people always wonder, like, Matt, why don't you add this company? Why don't you add that company? Look, there's a lot of great companies out there, guys, but my portfolio is like my family. You know, I don't just add people to the family nonchalantly. I need to make sure I'm going to love it, care for it, and feed it, most importantly. If I don't feel like I'm going to feed it, it's going to die. And then I get taken to jail for, neglect of a child. And I don't want that. So I like to focus on companies that I want to continue to have in the portfolio for a long time. So, there's a lot of companies. I like BM&R. I would love, but I don't want to have BM&R in the portfolio to not add to it until I think that, in my opinion, it's in some sort of crypto winter. So technically, Nvidia is in the family, but it's like a twice removed stepsister. Like, I have $10 in it.
June, what do you mean by that?
June getting angry again?
No, I want to know what that means.
That's an interesting comment.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Steve is a very big family. Steve, you got a lot of kids to feed.
I mean, I don't know, Matt. I still think big tech's going to lead the way. The first 2 weeks, they either casual dig it. Okay. Spencer, oh my God. I swear to God, you guys are the best. You guys make me laugh every time. You guys are the freaking best.
We got to figure out a way to get Spencer to come to New York.
Oh, we got to figure out a way to get all of them to come to New York.
Spencer, I think, just intentionally doesn't want to meet us.
Spencer, Chels, and June. I mean, they should all be coming to New York.
Is Chels coming?
I think that she has a prior engagement.
Chels is engaged? She didn't tell me.
You know what I mean, dude.
I know, I'm just kidding. Oh, Spencer's going to Chicago? I would go to Chicago, bro.
I want pizza from Chicago.
And in New York to Chicago is not a bad flight either. It's only it's less than 2 hours.
I mean, I don't even feel like it's a bad drive.
And when Steve's back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of Steve. He was in it. No? Okay.
Wow, wow, wow.
I love that song.
Good role model, Matt.
Matt, will I tell you guys when you're engaged? I mean, I am the most single person in the world. So I gotta take care of my health first, and maybe once I take care of my health, the ladies will start swooning in. So,
wow, Matt. Okay, this is what you need.
What was it? It helped code. Is that what that thing did? It was pretty.
I don't remember, but this is from the Nvidia deck.
Yeah, I think it helped code some stuff.
Buying more tomorrow. Getting more tomorrow.
What else are you gonna buy?
I may buy some Amazon tomorrow also. I feel like Amazon's setting up pretty well right here.
Did I tell you what I did, Steve? I don't know if I told you this publicly.
Oh boy.
That I stopped all cryptocurrency transactions?
You did tell me that.
Did I tell you they're all going into Amazon for the time being?
You did tell me that.
I need to go to sleep.
Dude, admit, you're not even 30.
He's a growing boy.
I mean, I guess so.
Amit needs to let me know when the Singapore meetup is so I can get my tickets.
You're really going to Singapore?
Why the fuck not?
I don't know.
I need to
Guys,
increase my international exposure. I mean, Amit has an in because his uncle's there, but like nobody knows about the White House quant in Singapore.
I think you'd be surprised. I bet you they do.
You know what the thing that a couple of my coworkers like think is absolutely the most hilarious thing about the whole White House thing.
This should be good.
So it was either Bloomberg or AP that were
Mhm.
like asking me questions.
Mhm.
And I said something about, they were like, well, what do you think of someone in the White House? I forget what the question was. I'll have to find the article, but they're like, what do you think about someone in the White House watching your live streams? And then I jokingly said, well, I hope Barron and Donald Trump are listening to my financial advice. And they're like, that is gold.
That
And
was great.
I was like, it is pretty gangster that I said that.
I'll agree. That's pretty gangster.
I'll have to find the article.
Pretty gangster. I don't know. Why don't you have this frame behind you? That's what you should do. You should blow it up and frame it.
Oh, it was in the Chronicle? Shit. Well, everything. Oh, it's all Michelle Price, though.
All right,
Michelle
hold
Price.
on a minute.
I need to reach out
Did
to
you
her
see
so she
what
can get me.
Amit asked?
What do you ask?
I have it pulled up. He put it in bold too.
Have you seen it, Steve?
Have I seen Basic Instinct?
Because I haven't.
No, I haven't.
I haven't. Need to reach out to good old Michelle.
I mean, I'm not a huge Michael Douglas fan. I don't know.
He said he had not been contacted by the government and didn't have any theories about how the live stream ended up on the website. He joked that he had hoped Donald Trump and his youngest son, Barron Trump, are watching his streams and taking advice. That is hysterical. I did say like jokingly though. So it does say he joked that he hoped that President Trump was. I'm a gangster. Yeah, that's the funniest.
Oh, hopefully they're listening to you.
No, I mean they know much more about economics than I do. That's for sure. They do. I need to reach out to Michelle, see what else I can get. I need a monthly thing in the AP.
Well, I think you need to get on the White House website again.
I mean, it's the AP. I'll start a monthly segment called the White House Quant.
I love it. Good stuff.
Or just the Quant.
Okay. You guys are ridiculous.
What's that? What happened now?
You guys are seriously ridiculous. I swear to God. Look at this. They beat you to it, Matt. They beat you to it.
Yo. The chat is just.
That is so legit.
Yeah.
Like, can I print that out and hang it? Like, that is so legit.
Yo, chat is just. Is that the
You guys
philosopher
are
investor?
freaking ridiculous.
Gotta tweet this. This has got to blow the fuck up.
Dude, how the hell did you do that? I can't even blow it up. Like, I don't even know what to say. That is so fucking cool.
What the fuck? Did he DM it to you?
No, he put it on X.
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
So legit.
That's great. I just retweeted that or whatever the hell, reposted it.
It's amazing.
That has to blow the fuck up.
Yeah, I mean, it's fucking. That's legendary. Legendary.
I don't even know what to say to that.
I don't even know what to say to that. I have never made anything better than that. That's incredible.
What does this say? Getting some. Oh, okay. It's just on the phone. Man, it's hard to keep up, man. People love the streams. People love Steve.
This is incredible.
Bloomberg released prediction markets? No way. That's insane. What does your dairy plug think about all this?
He has no idea.
Why not? We
What do you
need
mean?
Steve's White House moment. How are we going to get? It's like right now we're in this little bubble with Steve. We need Steve the Milkman worldwide.
I mean,
Would you want worldwide recognition, Steve?
not really, but if it happens, it happens. That I still can't get over that. That was incredible. That made my night. We need the dairy farmer on the stream. I hear you. Dairy farmer's legit. All right, Matt. So do you have any more moves to make this week, or is all your capital tied?
If Next continues to do well, I have it scheduled to buy back at a 50% profit.
Gotcha.
And that's probably what I've done that in the past when I've sold puts more religiously, and it's done really well. Except for if it continues, if it starts getting longer in the tooth, like if you still have a lot of time left. But I don't know. Steve, I got something for you.
Oh boy.
It's not as good as the Art of War, but if I ever need you. Listen? No, it didn't.
Okay. You guys are just getting ridiculous now.
Why isn't it working?
Matt, you ready? Are you ready for this? They're getting ridiculous. Matt, look at the screen.
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
It's insane.
That's insane.
Why won't this let me send it to you, Steve?
Like, that could be a freaking oil painting. That's insane. June, how do
Actually,
we make this into an oil painting?
I will hang that.
I would hang this up.
If somebody knows how to where could I hang that?
This is incredible.
In my house.
Should
as I
have
said,
that
hang-
commissioned. Oh my God. We have issues. This is amazing.
Oh, I have a good one that I might make.
So this is what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm going to be sitting there in a meeting, and then my phone's go boop, 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 And it's me, Matt, making freaking new things like this just to make me laugh during the day.
It's gonna be so fun. This one might be good. I don't know. We'll see. The last one didn't send. I don't know why it didn't, but
Nothing. I don't have anything coming through.
yeah, I don't know why. I make it.
Oh God, Matt, the group text is on fire with Biotech Ken. By the way,
Biotech Ken?
yeah.
I haven't seen anything. Oh, there it is.
What are you sending to me?
Nothing yet. It's still generating.
You know, Matt's sucking out all the freaking compute right now, making freaking things.
My WhatsApp has stopped working. I don't know why. Try again.
It's heroic.
I love it.
You found it? All right, so what is it?
Nope, it's still working. My WhatsApp stopped working, so I don't know why.
Share your screen.
It stopped working. Oh. Well, the first one. Let me share the first one. So the first one was if I ever needed you.
Okay.
How would I get in touch with you?
Freaking Matt. Okay.
That one was super simple. And then this one I asked it,
so ridiculous.
I asked it to make the Tony Soprano.
I know exactly what you were trying to do.
I was trying to make
he hangs it up in it. I know exactly what you were trying to do.
I asked it for that. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to be the picture of Tony Soprano next to the horse. And I said, do you know the Tony Soprano picture of him next to the horse? Can you make it this gentleman with your photo in an army suit next to a brown cow with a carton of milk? But I wanted it to be more like the Tony Soprano photo. So just let me down. That's what I wanted. Dude, people, they know what they're doing.
Dude, you're incredible.
These people are insane. So you're gonna buy more BM&R too with this pump up?
I'm feeling a little better about it. Feeling a little better about it. We'll see. I do want to buy more Ethereum.
What are you gonna do with it? Let's see how this works instead. More Ethereum, huh? Like in a more than aggressive manner, or like in a normal, typical manner?
Normal manner. Nothing crazy. But I do need more. I do need more.
We're getting closer, Steve.
Oh, Jesus. Matt, you gotta stop. You gotta stop. You're gonna have everybody doing this and putting this on X. I think that's what you're trying to do now. Did you check your Twitter DMs? Oh God!
I even got Spencer messaging me.
I'm freaking scared.
Okay. Spencer has a pretty good one.
You guys are ridiculous, by the way.
My WhatsApp's not working. Hold on, let me forward this.
You guys are freaking ridiculous. I swear to God. Matt, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Like, hold on.
Make it a YouTube thumbnail and send it to Steve for his upcoming stream.
It's getting crazy. You guys are incredible. I don't even know what to say anymore. Oh boy. All right, Matt.
Let's see. One more on my end. One more on Matty's end. It's because somebody in the chat asked. I don't know why my screen is getting choppy, my computer. I don't know if it's overheating. This is 100% worth higher energy prices. Let's go.
What?
I'm gonna DM it to you.
I can see it on your screen.
Well, I have other stuff up on here as well. So.
No, I'm just saying, like, I can see what you're doing, but you have it on the thing. I'm just not sharing it. That's freaking fucked up, by the way. I cannot believe that that's what you did.
Somebody in the chat asked for it.
I do not want to share this.
Man, it's your discretion. It's your discretion.
No, I don't want to share. This will become a meme. It's not happening.
It's your discretion.
Not happening. No. That's not getting shared.
It's nothing bad, guys. It's nothing bad. It's just
no, because then it's going to get clipped and blah, blah, blah. No. Oh, Newsom scrambles to keep billionaires in California, vows to kill wealth tax.
No shit.
Came out an hour ago.
He heard your stream, Steve. You explained it a lot more articulately than I did, and he was like, the Stephen Fiorillo's guy's got a point. Trying to change the subject.
Trying to change the subject. Yes, I'm trying to change the subject.
You saw it in the share screen, and you were like, no.
Oh, thank God.
The better one?
All right.
Newsom wealth tax? Is that what you're saying? Thank God.
I need to figure out what it's already 10 o'clock. I need to eat.
You got to eat, my guy.
Got to finish working. All right, Matt. It was fun. I'm
going to perfect that Tony Soprano one. I got it. I'm not going to sleep until I do.
I will have my I'm not scrambling to get out of here, guys. I do want to finish my article. I want to eat. I want to try to be asleep by midnight if possible.
Steve's a productive member of society. I'm watching it burn. Okay, so there's a difference. There's a difference. Steve's useful. I'm just a useful idiot. Oh, advertise my 24/7 channel more. Steve, give it a quick shout
Before
out.
you go, when moon.
Is the Market Chat Lounge still up and running? It is. Anybody in the chat on my stream, feel free. I don't know if Steve's okay with me sharing it or not, but I have a 24/7 market live chat where you basically can find out when anybody's live or hopefully going live every day. So yes, it's a place for people to look at some headline news, things like that. So I'll share it in my chat if people are interested in giving it a quick check out. But the hope is that I'm able to get this up and running and making a little bit of money. And whatever money I generate from that, I will use for other ventures as well that hopefully give information back to the community. Dustin Dollars, new VG. Hot Steve, man. I'm telling you.
Matt, you're a good kid.
I would share. If people want to see it, they can go over. Slowly trickling. Slowly trickling over.
All right, everyone. Got to get going. Appreciate everybody being here and hanging out with us. When Matt and I got a little silly tonight. Matt, will you be on tomorrow at some point?
Likely.
All right. Well, make sure you watch Matt tomorrow. Make sure you're following Matt. Tanner and I will be on at 8 tomorrow. You will be able to hear all about Meta, be able to hear all about Nvidia, his experience at CES, and most importantly, our top 15 artists. I'm going to go get some dinner.
Man.
I'm going to go get some dinner. Matty's going to try to stay out of trouble and not suck all the energy out of Meta and freaking Alphabet.
I'll try.
He's going to try. May not be successful, but he's going to try, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate everybody being here. June, thanks for staying with us. Chels, thanks for staying with us. Michelle, Lena, Ray, John. I said Michelle, right? I'm freaking delirious at this point.
Yeah, you need to go get something to eat, brother.
Chels, big show. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Really appreciate it. PB. Enjoy the rest of the night. See everybody tomorrow.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Later.